Ìròyìn yàjóyàjó breaking news. Baba Sir Alex Ferguson has been taken to the hospital from Old Trafford this afternoon after feeling unwell at the stadium. While we are all enjoying the match between Manchester United and Liverpool, and Manchester United is leading, it is understood that Baba has been taken into medical care purely as a precaution. It is expected that Baba will soon be recuperating at home. Ìyẹn ni wípé Baba ó máa gba ìtọ́jú nílé according to Daily Mail Sport. Ìgbà tí ìfigagbága náà ó ń kù wákàtí kan, ó ní wọ́n rí wípé ó dàbí ẹni wípé ó fẹ́ tẹ Baba, ó ní wọ́n ṣe sáré gbé Baba lọ sí ilé ìwòsàn láti take precaution. As the saying goes, precaution is always better and cheaper than cure. All our prayers, all our heart is with Sir Alex Ferguson. Though according to reports, kò ń ṣe bí ẹni wípé nǹkan tó rajaja, because Baba is 84 years old. Àdẹ̀gbàdúrà kí Baba kí ọjọ́ wọn kó tún pẹ́ sí, kí ọjọ́ wọn kó dalẹ̀ sí. Ẹ ṣá jẹ́ ká máa gbàdúrà fún Baba Sir Alex Ferguson.